Hola, all my learners, all my students, all my scholars, all my neurodiverse community, and welcome to Schoolwork All-in-One Fun with your autistic mentor and teacher, Bella Jansen. Now, it is holiday in South Africa, so what is better than story time? And welcome to my series, Tsotsi. No, I'm not going to teach you how to kill. We are going to take a look at the novel Tsotsi by Ethel Fugard, for that is a prescribed book or a novel for English home language in grade 10, grade 11, and maybe, if you want to go into literature, a little bit further. And guess what? What makes it so exciting? We've got the original copy. This was the original copy published in 1980 when the book was first printed. And that makes me excited because neurodiverse people can get hold of such copies. Okay, so for further ado, let's quickly take a look at the introduction of the novel Tsotsi. Now, Tsotsi, written by Ethel Fugard, can you believe it, was for years and years the manuscript hidden in archives until it was found about almost 30 years later. And then it won an Oscar award at the Oscar Film Festival for the best foreign movie, which was based on the book Tsotsi. Now, for us, it will be a novel, a piece of literature that we will be examined, we will be examined on it, but we can also learn a lot from it. Now, when we start to read stories, especially if it's home language and especially if it's for examination purposes, we get to tense up, right? Because we need to know a lot of different concepts and a lot of different things, especially when it's home language. But we're going to make Tsotsi easy. Now, the very first thing that we ever have to understand, let me make myself clear, not know, we need to understand it, is the theme of a novel. Now, let's make it easy. Let's make it neurodiverse easy. Some teachers just say, here's the theme, and you study it, well, you lost it at point 1. Now, first of all, we need to see what is a theme. If I'm talking about a theme, what the hell is it? Okay, now, let's do this. A theme starts with a T, correct? All right. Now, watch my T. And this is how I'm going to understand the theme of a novel. Now, the T has a upper top and it has a base. This is most a T. So it has a cover and it has a base. And can you see the arrows? This is how we learn and understand a theme. Now, a theme means, what is the story about? That's my top part. My top part, what's the story about? And my bottom part, my longer part, what does it stand for? So this is what I need to understand about a theme. All right. So we follow my arrows. What base the story? What does it stand for? And the top part, what is the story all about? All right. Now let's start with the theme of Tsotsi. What is the story all about? Now the story was written in the 1950s, right? When South Africa was under the regime of apartheid. A segregation laws that segregate colored people, Indian people, and black people from white people. All right. And it was situated in a specific township in Joburg. Now, the story doesn't mention the name of the township. All right. So we just know it's a specific part of Johannesburg, a specific township. Now, the story centers around this gangster, all right, named Tsotsi. Now, remember, that's not his real name. Tsotsi is a nickname for a thug, for a thief, for people in gangs that does bad things. Now, so Tsotsi was the leader of a violent gang, and he committed all sorts of crime until one day, when attempting a crime, a shoebox was shoved in his hand. And inside that shoebox was a newborn baby. Oh dear. And the story evolves around how Tsotsi, having this unexpected thing, and start taking care of it. And as he takes care of the baby, some of his traumatic past experience as a child came to light. And in the end of the story, Tsotsi found purpose, found redemption, found that in the midst of chaos and darkness and destruction and trauma, yes, there is still love inside of him. And he ended up, now, giving his own life to save that baby. So that is what my story is all about. Now, let's see the second part of the theme. What the story is based on. Meaning, my second part of my T, what does it stand for? Now, we're going to remember it in easier terms. Né? Neurodiverse people remember things very easy. A-I-R. Yeah, we all know A-I. Nah, so just add the R. A-I-R. And as you go down with the theme concepts on what it stands for, you will see how it links. Now, the first theme is apartheid's impact. Now, what happens when oppression, when a person is oppressed? Then, it creates destruction. Alright? It makes you become violent. It makes you become resentful. It makes you become bitter. So my theme of my story, where does it all start? With apartheid's impact. The impact that oppression has on a person. And second one, my I, identity and loss. If you are oppressed in a regime or in a system that oppresses you, you lose your identity. You don't know who you really are. You become something for the sake of survival. No one is ever born a gangster, no? It is circumstances that makes you lose your identity. All right? So you don't know who you are. So the first thing that you find successful in order to survive, you pull that on. And my last one, redemption and compassion. So this theme is based on how apartheid's impact, right, destruct people and make them become violent criminals. How you lose your identity in the process, in an environment that's dehumanizing, and you have to become someone else in order to survive. And at the end, redemption and compassion. How you can redeem yourself, get your identity back, and find out that you still have love and compassion in you, regardless of the circumstances. Now, that is the first thing that we need to know about Tsotsi, my theme. Let's reroute again. How am I going to remember my theme? Remember the T, and that goes for any language as well, right? My T goes up with the arrow and down with the roof. What does the story stand for? And what is the story about? Now, what does my story stand for? I of A-I-R. Apartheid's impact on the people, identity and loss, and in finality, redemption and compassion. And the overall plot summary of my story, a brutal gangster, right? Due to his traumatic upbringing, due to the entrapment of the dehumanizing environment, gets shoved the baby in his hand via a shoebox, and then systematically progresses into finding himself and compassion and redemption by taking care of that baby, and ended up giving his own life to save it. Now, next up, we're going to take a look at some key points that we need to know. So can you see how easy is it? Some teachers shove in pages and pages and pages and say, read the theme, read the. No. Well, in about 11 minutes, we got the theme. What the story stands for and what the story is about. Apartheid's impact, identity and loss, redemption and compassion. Ta-da! Now let's see what is some of the key concepts that we have to know.